Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2015 Kia Forte 5 SX. Really cool car. This is the Forte GT before the Forte GT. Nice back seat area. Wow. Really nice interior. This one's fitted, of course, with the 6-speed manual. And being the SX trim, it's fitted with the 1.6 liter turbocharged motor. Of course, my luck was they're doing road work, so all the roads were dirty. I'm like, what? That's why the car is a bit dirty. I'm probably gonna take it through a car wash before I give it back. Put it back on the lot, just because I anticipate them to rip up a road and make it all dirt. Has a really good amount of pull. My first car was a Kia Spectra 5, which is the predecessor to the Forte. The Forte replaced the Spectra. But the Spectra 5, I had the SX trim as well. It was no different power-wise from the normal trim. So this is quite a nice upgrade, especially for the SX trim. Overall comfort, convenience, really nice. The SX trim it still is the top of the line for Kia models. And it often means it's the quickest, and that's still the case here. Only recently did we move to the GT trims, but the Seltos, still top of the line, is the SX. I love the 1.6 motor, tons of power, really eager to go quick. It's a great little car. The second I saw this pop into our pre-owned inventory, I knew I had to take a look at it. Because when I had my Spectra, actually I got my Spectra in 2015, and I had it until 2018, and this had just come out, and I'm like, man, I wish, you know, I should have looked at the Forte. But at the time I bought it, I didn't have a job. It was just all savings, so I didn't want a payment because I didn't have a job. So it's like I had a couple $1,000s to buy it, but I couldn't use that as a down payment because I didn't have the funds to make payments, or else I would have gotten one of these. Because this thing is a riot. It's almost like a mini GTI in a way. I wouldn't say it's a hot hatch. I would say it's a warm hatch. Like, it's not a competitor to the Focus ST. As much as the Civic Si. Over the bumps, really good actually. Even with the Sport Tune suspension, still rides really well. Handling, phenomenal. Really great handling. It's a small little compact car. Handling's gonna be nice and nimble anyway, and this is no exception. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.